Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear pupils, how are you today? Welcome to C2I International School Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria e-learning platform. This is pry5 Basic Science and Technology, prepared by Mr. Odende Yusuf Idowu, week 6 lesson 2. Our topic for today is climate. Before we start today's lesson, let's revise on the last topic we learned, which was weather. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a given time. And I believe in our last lesson, our teacher taught us weather symbols, those things we can use to describe weather of a particular place. They are cloudy, sunny, rainy, and so on and so forth. And he also told us the work of meteorologists. They are people that keep monitor and interpret, or they also use weather records to predict and forecast weather condition. That is that. Today, inshallah, our topic is climate. As I said, what is climate? Climate is a regular pattern of weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Again, climate is a regular pattern of weather condition of a place over a long period of time. That is, climate of a place has to follow a regular pattern of weather condition of that particular place over a long period of time before we can call it a climate. Unlike weather, that is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a given time. But this one is what has to follow a regular pattern. Climate is relatively stable, though the weather of a place may change from time to time. Climate of a place is obtained by studying the weather records of a place over a long period of time. I want you to get that one clearly. That is, climate is relatively what? Stable. And the weather of a place may change from time to time. But climate of a place is obtained by studying the weather records of a place over a long period of time. Everybody, what is climate? A climate is a regular pattern of weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Now, let's move to climate change. That is, changing in climate. We can also call it global warming. What do I call it? Global warming. If you call it global warming or climate change, you are still saying the same thing. Climatic change is the rise in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, which is the land, and which is the ocean, and lithosphere, which is the land. Again, climatic change is the rise in the average temperature of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. When you are talking about atmosphere, that is, we are talking about the sky above us. And when you are talking about hydrosphere, you are talking about ocean, water, that is, ocean, water, sea, and so on and so forth. And when you are talking about lithosphere, we are talking about the land mass on which we walk on around. So, climatic change is the rise in the average temperature of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. If you look at this thing, you can see in the picture showing before us, we can see some part of the picture that they have very green grass, while some they have what? Dried land. Even there is break in the land. That is, the land is as if the sun has what? has burnt the grass to become what? Brown, even what? A mere land. That one will lead us to causes of climate change. Climatic change. These are the things that causes climatic change. That is the behavior or our activities. The human being and animals. It is our activities that cause climatic change due to these following activities. 1. Burning of fuel like firewood, fossil fuel, charcoal and sawdust. When you burn firewood, it will produce carbon monoxide. That is, when it's burning, you see at the top of that fire, you see some flames moving up. Those things, they are going into the sky, into the atmosphere to deflate what? Ozone layer, to affect the ozone layer, to perforate the ozone layer, which is one of the what? Causes of the climatic change. Another one is use of generator and vehicle engines. Some of us in our various houses, because we don't have 24 hours electrical power supply, and we all want to enjoy our lives. That's why some of us, we bought generator. In using our generator, by the time we are using it, that we think we are enjoying in our different homes, we are also causing a kind of damage to the atmospheric nature of our environment. And some of us that we have rickety cars, vehicles, that the fumes from that vehicles are horrible. All these things, they cause climatic change. Another thing that causes climatic change is deforestation. That is cutting down of trees. Deforestation is the process whereby people go into the forest and cut down the trees without planting another one there. And this process reduces the number of trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Let me tell you something. The tree in the bush, they make use of carbon dioxide that we breathe out, or those carbon that comes out, those carbon that come out of our motor engine and the generator. These trees, the plants in general, they make use of this carbon dioxide to sustain themselves, and they breathe out oxygen, which we human beings and animals use to sustain ourselves. By cutting down these trees, it reduces the number of trees to absorb that carbon dioxide. So these are the causes of climatic change. Can you tell me causes of climatic change? 1. Burning of fuels like firewood, fossil or charcoal and sawdust. Another one is what? The use of generators and vehicle engines. Third one is deforestation, that is cutting down of trees without planting another one. With this, we come to the end of today's lesson. But before we go, let's just go over what we have learned today. That is climate. What is climate? Climate is a regular pattern of weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Climate is a regular pattern of weather condition of a place over a long period of time. And we said climate is relatively stable. Why? Weather is what? It's a condition of a place at a given time. But weather is But weather is a condition of a place over a long period of time. That is, weather of a place may change from time to time. And the climate of a place is obtained by studying the weather records of a place over a long period of time. And we talk about climatic change. We say climatic change is also called global warming. We say climatic change is the rise in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. And we talk about the causes of climatic change due to the activities of human beings. One, burning of fuels like firewood, use of generators and vehicle engines, and lastly, deforestation, cutting down of trees. With this, we come to the end of today's lesson. May Almighty Allah spare our lives to witness more lessons or to witness more time on the surface of the earth. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.